Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add games in Wemod. Wemod is designed to automatically find many of your installed games, making the process quite simple. First, ensure your game is installed in a typical location on your computer. Then, simply open the Wemod application. It will scan your system and usually display compatible games directly on its dashboard, ready for you to use with its powerful trainers. This initial step covers the most common scenario for adding games. Sometimes, Wemod might not automatically detect every game, especially if it's installed in a custom directory. Don't worry, manually adding a game is straightforward. Look for the Add Game button, usually located near the top right of the Wemod interface. Click it, then browse your computer's file system to locate your game's installation folder. Find and select the main executable file, typically ending in exe, to successfully add it to your Wemod library. If you're still having trouble getting a game to appear, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can take. First, verify that the installation path you selected for the game is absolutely correct. Second, ensure your Wemod application is updated to its latest version, as new updates often improve game detection. Finally, try running Wemod as an administrator. This can resolve permission issues that might prevent it from finding or interacting with your games. Once your game is successfully added, launching it with Wemod is simple. Navigate to your Wemod dashboard and select the game you want to play. Then, click the prominent Play button. This action will launch your game, and the Wemod trainer will automatically activate. You can then use the designated hotkeys or switch back to the Wemod application to enable and adjust various cheats and modifications, enhancing your gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.